Arvind Kejriwal, one of the supporters of Anna Hazare, spoke with us a short while back.
Not been conclusive yet. There are several points of disagreement really between your negotiators who you are representing as well as Mr. Sibal. Can you tell us what are the major points of disagreement?
You see, they have agreed to set up a committee with 50% people, 50% 5 हमारे 5 उनके. But they are not willing to set a definite time limit. They are not willing to issue a notification. They say it's an informal committee. They say मैं बाहर जाके announcement करूँगा. तो कपिल सिब्बल के अनाउंसमेंट का किस कानून में लिखा है कि कपिल सिब्बल अनाउंस करेंगे तो वो कानून बनेगा? इट इज़ नॉट अ लॉ ऑफ दिस कंट्री. वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ लॉ. कपिल सिब्बल जी इतने सीनियर एडवोकेट हैं, वो अगर इस तरह की बातें करेंगे कि मैं अनाउंस करूंगा तो ये उनके अनाउंसमेंट का क्या मतलब है? इट हैज नो मीनिंग. एब्सोल्युटली.
Exactly. Also several other issues like regarding the chairperson, when the committee will meet. They are only ready to meet after the election.
Chairperson, they are saying Pranab Mukherjee. The whole movement across the country says Anna Hazare should be the chairperson of this committee.
Right. Also, was he saying something about the meeting only taking place after elections?
Yes. They are saying that our ministers are very busy. They can't meet after 13th May. The process has to start right now. They should look for ministers who have the time and not for the ministers who don't have the time.
Right. Now, Mr. Sibal actually said that talks are positive, that, you know, he is that whatever post this meeting.
So I've told you whatever you have to gauge whether it is positive or negative.
Exactly. No, but you've spoken to Mr. Anna Hazare. He has said that the protest will continue. At this point, you're not going to relent.
Yes. Right.
Right. The protest continues at this point of time. Right. These are the points of contention until all these demands are fulfilled.
At 1:30. Let's see what he says.
Right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That was Mr. Arvind Kejriwal very clearly mentioning that as far as this particular protest is concerned, that will continue at this point of time. There has been limited amount of breakthrough, but huge amount of disagreement still between really these protesters as well as the government at this point of time. With Jemima Rohekar, Mazdas Gopalakrishnan, Times Now.